hearkens to her, dwells in her innermost chambers. If one trusts her, he will possess her. His descendants too will inherit her. She walks with him as a stranger, and at first she puts him to the test. Fear and dread she brings upon him, and tries him with her discipline. With her precepts she puts him to the proof, until his heart is fully with her. Then she comes back to bring him happiness and reveal her secrets to him. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
At this point, we are going to listen to the birthday wishes and prayers. And each one, those who have flowers, will read the wish, and then after reading, paste the wish on the decoration.
For the birthday celebrants, I wish you all more blessings, good health, and happy family. Always, responsible to Mama Navarro. Thank you for inspiring, continuing to inspire every one of us like a mother. That is still here, being a good father and instrument of true love. And then kay Son Son, wish you good health as well and good work. And sana makakatagpo ka rin. Magbibigay ng saya. Malapit na yan. Malapit na
Thank you,
yan.
thank you.
And then good work para sa iyo.
Thank you.
For ito na lang, no, sa pamilyang Pamdamara and Tatay and kids. Um, we pray that we expect more bonding like this, no, and prosperity for the family, and of course, good health. Thank you. Ako, lagay Sir, Mom, and the family, of course. Malaking inspirasyon po kayo sa amin. Isang bagay po ang gusto kong iparating sa inyo na si Mom Navarro po ay napakalaking sandigan namin sa College of Arts and Sciences.
Malaki kasi ako.
Malaki kasi. Napaka matulungin po ang puso ni Mom Navarro. We are so lucky to have her, and I believe you are more than lucky to have her, and you too, sir, of course, for Mom Navarro. Nakasulat dito, longer life, Ma'am, no, with the tatay, and you, and the rest of the family. I think everyone is wishing that. And then, of course, I wrote here, steadfast faith in God for all the members of the family. It always is a hope when we feel the love of everyone for each other. Happy birthday to the three of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One more. I've got it. I wish that my classmates and I will always have many, many more birthdays to come. And finally, I wish that they will always be happy and always in good health. Nothing is a substitute for good health.
Nasaan?
Wala na kayo. That's my birthday glasses.
Sige lang ba?
So we unite all our prayers and wishes as we all sing birthday.
We are here to greet you
On your natal day, we are here to sing you a birthday roundelay. It's a happy birthday. We are happy too. So we sing with all our hearts because we love you so. It is a birthday roundelay, roundelay, ole, happy holiday. It is a happy birthday Thank you, Auntie.
Nasunod sila
Thank you.
60. Saka, diba? So, salamat for the life given to all of us. Toto will celebrate his 28th birthday sa March 19.
March.
Ay, August 19.
Ayaw mo
Kami
ata akong
tatay,
kasabay yan.
August 17.
Opo.
Si tatay ngayon talaga 17.
Hmm.
Pero 61 years old ka na tayo, diba? Tapos, okay, salamat. And we believe that we will have many more years to come and many more blessings. Ito ang kanyang pakaisa, nga 78 na. Ito. Hello, Ma'am Jackie.
Jackie, dali, pasok.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Malabuo na talaga yung aming, kay mag-blow kami ng candle. Yes!
Daming cakes. Doon na lang kaya. Cakes. Cakes.